Hi, I'm Cheri from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today we're going to look at how to use our Vario Creative Tool to insert a rivet. You're going to start by using your piercing tool that came with your Vario Creative Tool, and then you're going to use the accessories of the tool set for the Prym Tubular Rivets, and you're going to use some rivets. If you look at the packaging on this, you'll see that this has a light green box, and that is going to match up with the light green on the rivets. So today we're going to be using the 7.5 millimeter rivets, and we're going to use the part of the 7.5 millimeter on the tool set. So let's open up the tool set and take a look at what's inside. When you open that up, it will have a tray that slides out. You will have a tray that contains both the 7.5 millimeter and the 9 millimeter sets. I like to keep them in there so I know that which one goes with which, and you can see the line is drawn there that puts them together. And you'll also notice that that color looks familiar at the color we just looked at on the box. We're going to pull out the 7.5 millimeter, and if you look at this, they're in order. So this one is going to go on the top, and this one's going to go on the bottom. So I'm going to pull this out, and I need one of those purple crowns that we have from our piercing tool. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put that on there, and it will fit right in the top of the Vario tool. Just like that. Now, sometimes your purple crowns will stay in there, and if there's one in there, you're able to just insert it and you don't need to take it in and out. Now, on this next part, we have to take the bottom plate out, and I like to keep a pair of needle nose pliers with my tool because I'm able to take that and to push from the bottom, and that will just pop out like that. And then I can put the bottom piece into that section just like that. And we're now ready to install our rivet. On your rivets, you are going to need two of the pieces. So one piece will have the long stem, and the other one kind of looks like a little hat that we're going to put on it. So we're going to put the long stem in the project, and then we'll just put the other one right on top like that. And you'll hear just a little click. Now it's not all the way down because that's what we need our Vario tool for. And we'll set that right in that bottom cup, and we will just press down until you hear that click. And your rivet is set on your project. On this one, we would just go ahead and do the second rivet, and my project would be complete. Okay, my rivets are installed and my project's complete. We hope you have fun using your Vario tool to insert your rivets.